down, sibling edition. Put a finger down if you have 2 or more siblings. Put a finger down if you have a brother. Put a finger down if you have a sister. Put a finger down if you have a younger sibling. Put a finger down if you have an older sibling. Put a finger down if you are a twin. Put a finger down if you are an only child. Put a finger down if you fight a lot with your sibling. Put a finger down if you have 5 or more siblings. Put a finger down if you only have 1 sibling. Put a finger down if your sibling annoys you. Put a finger down if your sibling has TikTok. Put a finger down if people say you and your siblings or sibling look alike. And put a finger down if you wish you were an only child.